Hey guys, I made us some peaches and cream corn from that corn that I fixed with, or prepped, whatever you want to call it, with my out of air vacuum seal bags. You know, you can't get peaches and cream corn all year long, and this is so good. So we've been out of town, and I just come home, and I told Chad, I said, I'm just going to boil some of that corn. And got my butter here. If you can see it or not. Check it out here. Take the butter and just rub it. Somebody showed me, a friend of mine, I think it's Belinda's Country Cooking. She takes a hot dog bun and butters it really good, and then she butters her corn with it. And I thought that was amazing. I don't have a hot dog bun, Belinda, or I'd do that. But me and Chad's going to sit in the screen room and eat us a piece of corn for dinner. I love corn on the cob. I'm going to put us some salt on it. Gosh, you know that makes it yummy. And probably go see my daddy here in a minute because I've been out of town and haven't seen him in a while. So me and Chad are going to eat that for dinner. And it's going to be good. I can get these little corn cob holders in it. I love these from Pampered Chef. It's got this little holder so you can't lose them. And you just screw them right in. Now, when we was little, we had some that looked like ears of corn that were yellow. And they had these things that looked like pins going through them. That's what we used. I think we don't need the other one in the other end because it's got a little handle built in there, don't it? And then, I don't know why, but this is hot. I may let Chad do his own. That's hot. Okay, we're going to eat this for dinner. I just wanted to share it with you. I hope everyone's doing well. Please continue watching my videos. My views have went way down. I've tried to post and do things, but you know, I've been in remote helping my daughter. She fell and broke her collarbone in the shower and may have to have surgery now. So they're trying to figure out what to do. All right. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if you like it. Have a great day. God bless.